What do you got there?
I don't know. It says Fran and Eric.
Oh, is this some mail time?
I guess.
Today on Fran's Mail Time.
Bag of dicks. What is it?
They're tampons, I think. No. Aren't they? I mean, I don't know. Isn't that what one looks like?
You don't know what a tampon looks like, yeah.
Sorry, I don't f***ing... Oh, they are. Yeah, it is. It says it right there. 18 of these little f***ers in there.
Thank you. Holy shit. There you go, Eric.
I guess we need tampons because we're angry.
Does it have a note of who it's from or
No.
anything?
You.
You pussy.
Literally.
Yeah. Can't even say it. You want to talk shit? You can't even f***ing say it to our face, huh? Yeah.
That's pretty good, though. That's funny.
Yep.
I heart haters.
You're right.
I figured it was tampons or something.
Yeah.
You guessed it?
Well, yeah, because on the back of the box it said OB or something.
Oh.
Because I'm smart.
Oh, that's funny. You'll put those to good use.
Yeah, you will.
I'm not the angry one.
I'm not angry. I'm a realist. People don't like realists.
It's true.
Don't be mad at me because I call you a f***ing idiot when you're a f***ing idiot. Simple as that. Don't be an idiot and I won't call you an idiot and you won't get mad. Problem solved. Right?
Yeah, there's too many idiots in the world, so you can't really.
Oh, I'm calling him an idiot one by one.
Good job.
Thanks.
We will start this soon. We have to go to crank some other parts. We're going to start it soon for the people asking.
Tyler.
Voice is literally the most annoying
It
voice
is really
ever.
bad, I know. That's what makes it so great.
You don't need any help being annoying.
I don't, but you know, if I can, I'm gonna do it. Makes the job more fun. So what you got going on this bad boy?
Cam.
Cam. Anything else?
It'll be getting a torque converter.
I'm assuming valve springs.
Valve springs, cam, lifters, push rods.
So cam package, all that good stuff.
Yep, DOD delete stuff.
Nice. Cool.
Valley cover. It's already in there.
Nice. Good.
And Tyler, what do you got going on in this one?
You could do it. You could just. I'll give you the camera and you
I
can
could.
do it.
You can't be me though, so.
Yeah.
Yeah.
I don't have.
My Eric's mom is better New Jersey accent.
That's true. Let's check out your parts. Some dirty stock stuff. It does. You love it, Eric.
So you start walking upstairs randomly and just holler Steve like that across the room.
Nah, it doesn't have the same effect. One syllable versus two syllables. Steve. Tyler. Eric. It just works. Like Fran. It doesn't.
You both are talking and I can't understand either one of you because I'm listening to both.
What the hell are you listening to?
No. I guess it's probably a System of a Down song.
Is that what this garbage is?
Probably.
And Eric's just playing with his truck over there. He's not even doing work. Typical Eric. Wasn't even here on Monday. Sick again. What you doing there, buddy?
You want to give me a hand instead of getting the camera?
Playing with some wood?
Yeah, I'm gonna put this up in there.
Put your wood in your truck?
Sure.
In your bed? You needed to get in the center. first
Yeah, that's a good size pallet
C6
there.
Z06 in the 8s. You can buy these hoodies on our website, raceproofmotorsports.com. Save 10% right now using code CALLOUT. Also has this nice little raceproofmotorsports.com thing on the side. See how I turn your crap into gold? It's because I'm good.
For nothing. Whatever.
I need to get one of those.
Ratchets?
Yeah, I think it's sweet. That's what you guys were talking about, that question
Yeah,
and
that
answer
was-
video.
Yeah, that was one of the things we were talking about because Eric got one before I had started.
Yeah.
And then when I started, he used it all the time, and he always told me, he's like, you need to get one of these things. You just need to get one. And I always used my 3/8 impact just because what I always had, what I needed, and nobody I knew had one of those. Guess I don't need these.
No, they're trash.
Of course, I have it putting stuff in the book.
There you go.
And I'm like, yeah, I don't know. It's a lot of money for a ratchet. It's battery ratchet.
Yeah.
I don't think they're that much. So $200 or $300 depending on which one you go. Mine's only a 1/4 inch drive. Eric's is a 3/8. The 3/8 has more guts than that one, but
His is dying though. He needs
his
more.
has died.
Yeah.
But it's just, I use it all the time.
Yeah. I thought that's what you guys were talking about when you're in that question and answer video. I think Fran even said he got one too after that.
You did, yeah,
Yeah.
you did.
It's kind of funny.
I'd definitely buy it again.
Yeah. It's good. Maybe I'll have to get one.
I think they just I don't know if they changed the batteries in those, but I know they're changing some of their stuff over to a bigger battery.
Gotcha.
So they got a little bit more guts than what they had before.
Guts, huh?
Guts.
Man, you could have put that pallet in a better spot, let me tell you. Unbelievable.
You told me to take it out of your truck, so I did.
Yeah, right in the middle of the floor.
Oh, I missed him.
Way to go.
Damn it.
Way to go.
Put it back so I can hear it.
Your loss, not mine.
I'm just kidding. It's all Eric's fault. Stop talking, you're making me miss the good stuff.
Okay, we're off. You missed one, but it's not my problem.
Don't cut your hand.
I'm not gonna.
See you later.
See you, bud.
It's all done to this thing, little blower.
Got a bunch done to it. Like he said, Steve Morris did the short block and the cam and I don't know. Sure.
Expensive short block.
It was.
Making any power?
No.
Alright. Alright.
No, it's not actually.
got going on now?
Car stuff.
Car stuff. It's not very cooperative.
Stand.
Sweet. Oh god. Poor engine. They're violating it.
Because you're here. There goes
Oh,
back
I got
in
violated again. Oh, there it goes. You don't want to finger it one more time just for good measure? No?
No, I'm good.
I'd laugh if you like smelled your finger. No, I don't want to smell it. You gotta have fun at work, man. People take things too seriously. You spend over half your life at work, so you might as well enjoy it and have fun.
Yeah.
But obviously making sure you do things correctly.
That generally helps.
Trimming, whatever he's doing. I like the little light down there too. That's a nice little touch. Give me a nice little lighting here. This song is terrible.
It's terrible.
You know what we need? Some 5-finger death punch, so Eric gets pissed off. Because Eric hates them.
You're in my way.
Sorry. What's wrong? What's your favorite band, dude? You almost done with this thing?
This is my favorite band, just like you're my favorite person.
Yes. It was a very good analogy. I liked it. I'll turn it back up for you then.
And to answer your question, I am almost done with this thing. I was waiting on a f***ing intake.
Oh, why is it gotta be a f***ing intake? Why can't it just be an intake? So you have the Procharger, plastic one now, so that won't get sucked in.
Yeah. So I'm gonna
Nice.
see how much power this thing makes.
5 horsepower.
890. I mean, it's got
Auto too, right?
Yeah.
I guess we should do Mike soon too, huh? We should wait to do his like right before the call out so no one knows how much it makes. That's what we should do.
Yeah.
That sounds like a good idea.
See how there's like oily marks on that thing?
It's your favorite band.
Trash.
I love them because you hate them.
I know. This thing turned.
Oh, Tyler! You want some help there, Eric?
Just to guide me. You want to guide me in?
Ooh, you're way off.
Okay.
Harry, don't say I never helped you. Goodies. Hi, Dad.
Hi, son.
What you doing?
Tuning, enhancing.
Enhancing. Enhance.
Doing that.
Enhance. Enhance.
Just print the damn thing.
Doing that.
Oh, that comes out this month.
What?
Super Troopers 2.
Oh.
April 20th.
Seems like the meth like comes on right away.
Don't you like dislike Alky kits strongly?
Yeah. Yep. Sure do.
So this is essentially Mike's setup, correct?
Less boost.
Less boost. Okay, so we're not.
This has a stock lower. Mike's has a 10% overdriven.
Okay.
Same blower pulley though.
Okay. So this makes what, about 10 pounds less?
No. It just made like 15.8 pounds.
Okay.
I think Mike's makes 21.
Okay. Gotcha. Still should be 900 or so, shouldn't it?
What? This?
Yeah.
It just made 906.
Oh, did it?
Yeah.
Look at that. That was a good guess.
You're
I can't
starting
see,
to
so
learn.
You know I can't see. So, nice. Not bad. Starting to learn. Thanks, Dad. That's why I make you so proud.
You don't make me proud now.
10 minutes. Pretty damn good.
Not bad for basically 16 pounds.
That's really good.
Is it?
What's E, 50%?
Yeah, I think so.
Not bad.
Let me check. 51.
Ooh. Ooh.
Pretty close.
That's pretty good. Damn, that's really good. I'm assuming he's gonna turn it up now?
It'll make more.
Yeah.
Yeah.
We're gonna do a larger lower?
Yeah, I believe so. Yeah, it's got a 4-inch pulley on it, and Procharger doesn't really like to go smaller than that on the blower. So we're gonna do a bigger lower, and then we'll probably do a bigger upper. Probably do a 10% or something overdrive lower, and like a 4.25 upper.
Okay.
Just to spin it up a little bit. Maybe like 19 pounds or something like that.
Sounds good.